Hello students, welcome back again to my classes. And what are we going to do today? So today it's going to be your IELTS Listening Section 4, wherein we're going to discuss your Section 4 of IELTS Listening. Guys, don't worry again. There's a myth basically a lot of students might have, and I've seen a lot of trainers are also not clear with this concept. So this video is basically helpful for all of you. What happens is, guys, when it comes to your Section 4 of IELTS Listening, the basic question type it has is generally fill in the blanks or answer short questions, so which is like they say that no more than one word, no more than two word, no more than three word, like this. And it's like an answer short question or fill in the blanks. There's very rare, rather I've not seen in the past couple of months or years rather that they've had any listening where your Section 4 contains other types of questions. No, I'm sorry. At least I haven't experienced it. I'm 100% sure a lot of examiners would say the same if they're certified. Alright, so Section 4, again, it's a scoring section. So in the previous video, we discussed that Section 3 is not a very easy one. Guys, just be relaxed. Section 1, 2 and 4 are the scoring ones. So I might say that Section 2 is not that scoring, because like again you get map and some students are not really they're not able to do the maps correctly. However, if I talk about listening Section 4 of IELTS listening, it's very easy. You can easily score 10 out of 10. There's no chance that you should be making mistakes in IELTS Listening Section 4. The reason why I'm saying this is because the Listening Section 4, it contains your easy question types. Also, if I talk about the description, now we have, you already know that what are the sort of questions you're going to get. It's either fill in the blanks or answer short questions, which is like one word answer, right? In the forthcoming videos, I'll be doing these sections with you and I'll help you to understand the questions and then how to write the answers, how to type the answers, how computer-based IELTS is better than the pen and paper one personally. It's just a personal choice. So, okay, now we'll talk about what sort of whether it's a monologue or it's like a conversation between two people. So Section 4, it's always a monologue. It's like one speaker is there. It's not a discussion. It's generally a monologue wherein one speaker is speaking about something, and it's like an academic topic we have. For example, about eucalyptus tree. So there's one of the listenings we have in IELTS, which is about eucalyptus tree in Section 4. And how the speaker starts is like, he might start with the history of this tree, where it was grown first, the benefits people availed, the ancient people, and how even today, eucalyptus tree is pretty beneficial even today as well. So these sort of information he or she will be providing. Now, when it comes to your the discussion, you might notice that the speaker speaks a lot of things, and it's like something is going on. But as a student, you should never be scared of it, because they might give you a lot of information. Don't worry, you should not be knowing everything. It's just that you need to find the answer of that blank. That's it. So your work is again very simple. Read the questions well in advance before the audio starts. So as soon as your Section 3 finishes, you will get a few seconds to check your answers. No, don't check your answers. Go to Section 4, start reading the questions of Section 4. When you're reading those questions, you've already read like question till 5, 6 or something like this when the audio starts. Possibly, if your reading skills are good, again, you might read all 10 questions. But don't worry, even if you have read like question 1 to 6, that is just okay, because like when the listening was going on, you would notice that you would get time to read 7 to 10 as well, because you've already done question 6, and it's like in this section it actually happens. You might find it a little weird that how I can say it with 100% certainty, but yeah, believe me, this is 100% certain. You would get enough time when the audio is going on to read the next questions, because the speaker also might give you time to read the questions, let's say 36 to 40. So you can read question 31 to 35 or 36, and then 37 to 40, again, you'll have a pause, and then you can read those questions. So this means that you'll have sufficient time, and you might feel, when you're listening, that you're lost. Oh my God, what is the speaker saying? There's nothing, like my answer is not coming. This would happen. It's completely normal again. And if this is happening, this means that you're getting the answer. So your work is not to like gain a lot of information, listen to the information. No, it's just like your task is as simple as that. Listen to it, get the answer to it. That's it. So if you feel in section 4 that I'm getting lost, what is the speaker saying? It's not related to my answer line. It's fine, because they'll speak more. It's like you'll be whatever is given in the form of sentence. It's like a summary of that, whatever you're listening. So it's like summary, fill in the blanks. I always, whenever I'm teaching in my classrooms, I always tell students that when you're solving section 4, it's like summary, fill in the blanks, because whatever is written, it's the summary of what you're hearing. So this means you have to be patient when you're doing it. So, okay, in a nutshell, listening section 4 of IELTS is again very scoring. You can get a full score of 10 out of 10 like in section 1. And this is not a difficult section. If some people say that, the difficulty level of IELTS listening is like section 1 is the easiest, 4 is the maximum. No, it's not true. Section 3 is the most difficult one. Even if you do that properly, that is also not difficult. If you follow our tips when you're doing section 3, you'll get 40 out of 40 in your IELTS listening test. So yeah, this is all about our listening section 4. Very easy again. The type of question, answer short question, fill in the blank. You just need to take care of the word limit. If it's like just one word, do not write more than one word. And it's an academic topic. It's going to be a monologue. And when it comes to your, listening to the speaker, keep listening to it, but yeah, focus more on the questions and just try to find out the answer. So the speaker will speak the answer. Your task is just to write that, and that's it. Yeah. So if you have any doubts, you can always come back to us. You can write in the comments box. For personalized classes, you can always be calling us on our numbers. I hope you like this video and have a great day. Bye-bye.